guys, it's Rina and welcome back to my K-pop tutorial video. Today's video is for Shine by Pentagon. We actually went through the first chorus part in my K-pop workshop last week. It was hilarious. The first thing that we did in the workshop was practicing this shoot dance. Alright, make sure post your dance cover with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first we're actually gonna face to the left, and on 5, just slightly jump and put your legs together. And then now we're gonna make an index and we're gonna point with your right hand. Here we go. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, point, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna do shoot dance. Boom, boom, ka, ka, boom, boom, ka, ka. Here we go. How are we gonna do this? You're just gonna put your weight on the left and jump, 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 jump. When you landed, each time you're gonna kick with your right foot. Kick, 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 kick. Just like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Now, your arm, make a fist on your right arm. You're just gonna punch, punch and kick at the same time. Punch, 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 punch. Here we go. Punch, punch. And now we're gonna take both of your arms down and swing, 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 swing. Here we go. So we're gonna do 2 up punch and 2 down swing. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Now punch, punch, throw, throw, punch, punch, swing, swing. Here we go. By the way, I got really sore on my left calves next day and it's still hurting. Okay, when you do this, you're gonna slightly step forward, and if you can lean backward, slightly lean to the side as well, that'll be cooler. Alright, so we're gonna do punch, punch, throw, throw, punch, punch, swing, swing. 8 times jumpings. Alright, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, point. Now punch, punch, throw, throw, punch, punch, swing, swing. Here we go. Now after this, you're gonna go step, step, step. Since your right leg is on the air, you're gonna switch, step, switch. Here we go. Your arms, after from here, take both of your arms up and pull, pull. Here we go, a little bit faster. Boom. Now, step, tap, tap. Here we go. And then you're gonna step to the left, step to the right, and double to the left. Here we go. Your arms is also boom, boom, punch, punch. Your neck as well, just add accent. Boom, boom. Here we go. So, after swing twice, take both of arms up. Ta, ta, ta. Now left, right, double, bend your knees. Here we go. And then you're gonna step forward on your left foot. You're just gonna pull both of your arms back and then land it. Here we go. When you land it, you're gonna slightly face to the left, bend your knees, and circle, 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 circle. Here we go. You're just gonna shake it 4 times. Each time you're gonna tap with your left heel. Circle, 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 and up. Now extend your left arm, open your hands. You're just gonna swing, swing twice behind your head on your right hand, and boom, throw, and up. Here we go. So again, boom, boom, ka, ka, boom, boom, ka, ka. Now ta, 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 and left, right, double. Step forward on the left. Now circle, 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 swing, swing, boom, pa. Here we go. After this, again, you're gonna point. Now touch your left shoulder, right shoulder, down, and elbow. When you do elbow, you're gonna face forward on your upper body, open your chest. This move, point, left, right, and elbow. In the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Not only moving your arms, but also you can just tap with your left heel. Boom, boom, pa, pa, pa. More like feeling the music. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. And then step left and right, cross your arms and open. Here, make a fist. You're gonna slightly bend your elbows and open your chest. Here we go. Now we're halfway. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point. Now boom, boom, swing, swing. Boom, boom, swing, swing. Da, da, da. Now left, right, double. Step forward and circle, 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 and swing, swing, throw. Point, point, left, right, and elbow. Step and cross, open. Here we go. After this, you're gonna slightly step back to the right. Da, da. Now cross your arms, cross your hands, and open. Here we go. Your legs is just pretty much step to the right, step to the left. Here we go. Your arms, you can also add your shoulders down to the right, up. Now cross and left. 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, get ready. And on 6, you're gonna slightly jump. Put your right hand on top of your forehead. Your left hand is on the back. And lean forward. When you lean forward, make a half circle on your right arm. Bring in front of your left shoulder. Your left hand is gonna be moving forward and grab your hip. Okay, right now it's on the back. Now moving forward. You can also add your shoulder as well. As you lean forward, you're gonna add shoulder roll forward. Here we go. And then you're gonna step left with your right foot. Now step left with your left foot. Now step right, cross, and up. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, to the right, to the left, and up. Lean forward. Now step, cross, step. Now step, cross, up. So after this, if you want, you can add one shoulder accent. 7, 8. And you're gonna take left shoulder up, and on one you're gonna take right shoulder and step with your right foot. Yes? And then left shoulder. Now you're just gonna swipe, cross, and up. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, we're gonna go boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. This one, left arm, bend your elbow, boom, boom, knock twice. Now swing to the right, bend your wrist, and ka, ka. Your left toe is pointed. You're gonna tilt your head to the left a little bit, and then switch, boom, boom, ka. Here we go. Boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. Last one, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So how are we gonna do this? Your legs, start from the left, step left, right, left, right, left, right, up. That's it. One more time. Left, right, left, right, left, right, up. Here we go. Your arms, take your left hand, flip it. Now imagine that you're holding a ball. Yeah, just grab it like this. Your right hand, point your head, point your chest, pinch and throw. Yes? 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Together with your legs. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And then after that, we're gonna go punch with your right arm. Take your right leg up, punch with the left, and up. Put your left hand on the back, make a funko pose. Here we go. And then on 7, you're gonna take your left shoulder up. That's it. Alright, so from here, boom, boom, ka. Boom, boom, ka. Now, left, right, punch, punch, up, ka, ka. Boom, boom, ka. Boom, boom, ka. Now, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now, if it's too confusing for you, we have a backup plan. You don't need to do this. We're just gonna again make a funko or aloha pose with both of your hands. You're just gonna step, 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 and punch, punch, up, tap, tap. That's still fine. This one more like, you know, your hands go in from your right. But your step is pretty much same. Left, right, left, right, and punch, punch, up, ba, ba. So it's up to you, but we're just gonna start from here. Boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Let's start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right, to the left, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now punch, punch, swing, swing, punch, punch, swing, swing, da, da, da. Left, right, double. Step, now circle, circle, and swing, swing, throw. Point, point, left, right, and elbow. Step and cross up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 and up. Boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, last one. I'm just gonna count with this move. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much for dancing and watching this video. It was quite intense dance choreography, but at the same time it was really fun. In case if you want to learn any K-pop dance choreography in person, I have a weekly K-pop dance workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. in Arizona. Also, I'm planning to host this K-pop workshop not only in Arizona but also in other states or even in other countries as well. So if you are watching this video and if you have any suggestions, ideas where I should go, please feel free to leave some comments and let's make it happen. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!